Welcome back, folks, to the Let's Play Hardcore world. My name is Eli, and today we will be building this lovely windmill. So let's take a little fly around and then get straight into the time lapse. So coming through here, you can see we used some gray concrete, just like on our house, at the top. We used some little chains for the little spikes, just to give that really nice little castle look, and then we used some acacia trapdoors and these fences up and down to make the blades. Well, as you can see, it really fits in here, and well, let's get straight into the time lapse, and I will explain during that how I did this and what my thought process was behind it. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the super fast build mode. Let's hit it. Alright, well, starting this off, we are starting a little bit into the build, but I just got that foundation up, and then we are just bringing our gradient in. Then we started working on the roof, and we're using a combination of oak slabs, oak trapdoors, and stripped oak logs for the roof, just to give that really nice weathered look. And then continuing on with our gradient, just bringing it all up into that white color and the white concrete. Then starting the framing for the roof out here, we're just using spruce. And then coming into this roof, originally I was making out of copper and all these other blocks, but you'll see, of course, that later we changed that because it wasn't quite doing what I wanted. It didn't quite look right to me. Finally, just coming in here with our stripped dark oak logs for the arms of the windmill, and then acacia trapdoors to line those logs just to give that really nice kind of steampunky look. And then finally, we're just coming in through with our path pattern to connect it up to everything else. Alright, folks, well, the build is done, and as you can see, we are right in the same spot because it is time to give you a tour of this amazing little windmill. So let's fly down and do a little tour. Alright, well, starting off here, this is a path that I've made out of coral and all the rest of that, just to give it a nice look, that nice cobblestone look. And then as you can see, I used a gradient. It's looking great from this angle. Coming around here, we have some few hay bales, one in a barrel, that kind of stuff, some other barrels. We have a hay cart here, just to give that extra little vibe of the spot that's grinding up some grain, bringing some wheat in. We got this lantern in here on the shelves, got a little bit more shelf in here. And walking into here, this is the inside of it, and we have the little make-believe thing that is grinding up the grain. So this is like the grinder, this is like the joint that attaches it to the rod, and then coming up the ladder, we have the first floor here, which comes out to this little balcony, which is imagine is kind of like the service balcony. They can get to this, work on that, and then going all the way up the ladder, we just have this little spot with the two windows, and then this is the place that we're just pretending these are like worm gears. These are gears that are driving the shaft to grind the grain. And then this is the rod that's going through the entire thing for the windmill. But with that, folks, I think that is going to be where we end today's episode. Although, just a sneak peek for next episode. You see all that space clear back there? Well, we are starting something new, and I think it's going to look great. So, with that, you'll get some cinematic shots if you stay a little bit longer, but we're going to end the video here. So, without further ado, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment something you like about it, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.